Okay, so hello everyone. Today let me show you my method of sharpening a drill bit with an angle grinder. Okay, so the things we need, of course, is an angle grinder, and if you have an angle grinder with a variable speed capability, the better. And this, a diamond coated disc, I bought this online. Comes on with different grits, 240, 80, 200, just like a sandpaper. But if you don't have this, better to use, it's okay to use an abrasive wheel, preferably one that is brand new, because you will need that edge here. Never use a cutting blade because this is not designed for side grinding, only on here, on this part. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is to cut the bit. Just imagine that this bit right here has been burned off, or is a broken bit. We want to cut it, but when we cut it, make sure just to tap it lightly. You don't want to have any discoloration. It turns blue or red. When you cut it, you would want to be able to, as soon as you cut it, to be able to touch it. That way you would not effectively treat the edge, and you won't ruin the drill bit. Now once that is done, the next thing that we're going to do is to flatten this surface like here, like so. And this is a one-sided diamond coated bit. I place it this way because if you do it this way, I will have my 3 fingers be able to support this, just for more added control and stability, as opposed to having the bit right so. See, your right hand is in a free hand, and you won't get much better control and stability. So doing it this way, you will have much more control. Okay, so let's flatten this bit. Okay, so now that is done, we can now begin to sharpen the drill bit. But before that, what you would want to do is to get a brand new drill bit, or a perfectly sharpened drill bit like this, and make yourself comfortable with the angle. You press the edge right here, like so. Okay, keep doing that. Then the other side, make yourself comfortable with how the blade is supposed to touch the disc or the bit. Okay, keep doing that. If you do this, your hand or your fingers are going to be much more comfortable with how it is supposed to be sharpened. Your hands and your fingers is going to have a memory when it comes to the angle, and it will make you more comfortable. So keep doing this for a few more minutes until you're comfortable with it, and then makes you more confident to already sharpen the drill bit. Okay, so just do that for a few more minutes. Okay, now once you have done that, we can now begin to sharpen the drill bit. Okay, so that's that. Actually, we already got a bevel here. Okay, on the other side as well. It needs a little more touch up. Okay, so now that is done, let's check our work. It's centered. Okay, we've got a bevel. Okay, got a nice edge. Now we're not quite done yet. The next thing that we're going to do is to, I don't know exactly what you call this cut, but to do this, okay, see that cut right there, some sort of goes towards the flute. So like sharpening this edge, what you would want to do again is to make yourself comfortable with the angle. So you do that, okay, something like that. And once you're comfortable with that, then you can begin to sharpen the drill bit. So, okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so now we've got the I don't know what you call that, this one as well, and then we've got it like so. Okay, so basically that's it, and the real test is, will this be able to drill through steel? So let's do that. Let's try. Okay, so we've got this piece of metal right here. It's about 5 millimeters. Okay. Oh, okay, so we've got a drill bit here. Now the true test is it going to drill through the steel? Okay. Hold on. Now let me give you a much more better angle. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, so that's real time drilling. Let's do one more. Okay, so that's the bit that we've just sharpened. Come on, focus. So anyway, that's how you sharpen a drill bit with an angle grinder. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.